So here we go. AXZ is this angle over here. So I'm going to highlight that angle like that in yellow. It says XA is 16. That's XA is 16. It says find ZA to the nearest 10. All right, so I got to label the sides. Hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. Do that every single time. And then I got to figure out which one to use. All right, now I'll probably stop circling them like this as we get a little farther into this set of problems. But for right now, I'm going to circle them. Opposite and hypotenuse, because I know the hypotenuse and I want to find the opposite. So that means this is going to be a sine problem. So now what my job is, I have 3 spots. I have the angle spot and 2 of the side spots. Whenever you're doing any of these problems, your goal is to fill in 2 of those 3 spots so you can solve for the other one that is not there. Okay? I know that the angle is 40. So the 40 goes in the angle spot. I don't usually put the angle into the picture, but it's not going to hurt anything to put a 40 right there inside of the angle. I know the hypotenuse is 16, so that's going to go in the hypotenuse spot, which is down there. I do not know the opposite. I'm going to put an X in there. I'm also going to put an X on my diagram so I know that that's where the X is. Okay, so that's my problem. Now that looks like it might be incredibly complicated to solve, but it's not, because I have 2 of the 3 numbers. I can take my calculator and I can type in sine of 40, and it gives me that giant long decimal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 0.642, and on top of sine of 40, I'm just going to write 0.642 dot, dot, dot. Okay, now I want to solve this. I'm going to put that over 1, because now I have 2 fractions, and I can cross multiply. Now for this style of problem, you're going to cross multiply. For the ones in 4.3, you're not going to cross multiply. So please don't be like, oh, perfect, cross multiply every time, because it's not always going to work that way. Okay, now it's x times 1, that's x. And then I have to multiply the long decimal times 16. So this is where the calculator is super nice, because I'm just going to go up and grab that long decimal and then multiply it times 16. And it's going to give me 10.284. All right, that's it. That's what I was supposed to figure out. That's ZA. So it says nearest 10th. So I'm going to make sure I round it carefully. So that's the 2, and I round it by the 8. So it's going to be 2. That's 10.3 as my final answer right there. Okay, now every problem in this set of problems is going to work similar to that. Please also don't fall in the habit of, okay, I just multiply the decimal times inside, because you're going to see one soon that it doesn't work like that. So try at least 4 or 5 of these before you think that you're good and you can go ahead and do the check-in, just to make sure that you actually understand what's going on.